For thousands of Canadians with Slovak roots, a unique path back to Europe has opened up. Thanks to the 2022 law change, your heritage is now your ticket to an EU passport. If you have a parent, grandparent, or even a great-grandparent born in the territory of present-day Slovakia, you may be eligible. This right extends up to 3 generations.
The process is now easier than ever. For descendants, the law waives the 8-year residence requirement and, most importantly, there is no Slovak language exam required.
While you don't need to live in Slovakia for years, you do need a residence permit. We will help you obtain both residency and Slovak citizenship. We will prepare the necessary applications for you to submit simultaneously at the embassy in Ottawa.
You'll need to prove your genealogical line with birth and marriage certificates. You'll also need a criminal record check and proof of your ancestors' citizenship.
All Canadian documents must be authenticated with a legalization and officially translated into Slovak. Don't worry, we can help you navigate this paperwork.
As a Slovak citizen, you gain the freedom to live, work, and study anywhere in the EU, reclaim your identity, and secure your family's future in Europe.
The opportunity is historic, but the bureaucracy is demanding. Contact our law firm today to help you bring your Slovak heritage home.